students, how are you today? Today you're doing your own creative writing today. But before we do that, I'd like you to look at the board, please. Thank you. Now, we're going to think of words which will help us to talk about the sun. Now, when we think of the sun, what do you think of? Can you give me an idea? Yes, it's a round big ball. A round ball of fire. Yes, good. What else? It's yellow. Good. What else? Very good. It gives us light and it helps plants to grow. What else? Yes, sometimes it makes us nice and warm if we're feeling a bit chilly. And what else? Yes, sometimes if it's too hot, we can hardly breathe and we have the AC on and sometimes the sun is too hot. Yes. So, we've got some nice words. Now, do you have any other words? Okay, look at the board then. Let's describe like we just did. The sun is big. It's a big circle. Or actually, it's a sphere. A ball of fire. What color? Yes, yellow. It's yellow. What else can you tell me about it? It is a star. Well done. It is a star. What else? Yes, the sun rises in the morning and it sets in the evening. Well done. You seem to know a lot about the sun. You can put them in when you're writing your creative writing. Good ideas. Now that we've brainstormed, let's try and use these words to make some drafting of small sentences. Okay? Look at the board. Now, the sun keeps us warm. If it's very cold and we're feeling very cold, we can go out where there's sunlight and walk around in the sun and we'll feel nice and warm. Sunlight gives us light. That's why it's called sunlight. And supposing when you're sleeping and it's time to get up, Mummy comes, pulls over the curtains and she says, come on boys and girls. Perhaps it's you and your sister or two brothers or two sisters, and she'll say, children, wake up please. Assalamu alaikum. Fajr time. Let's get ready for namaz. Good, because the sun is just rising. Do you do your namaz? You do. Good. So, what else can you tell us about the sun? Yes, of course. Along with the light, it helps plants to grow. If we had no sunlight, yes, Zainab? Oh, very good. Yes, good girl, Zainab. Very good. Zainab says sunflowers grow in the, yes, well done, in the direction of the sun. Very good, Zainab. That was wonderful. So where we've said it helps plants to make their food, we can also say sunflowers grow in the direction of the sun. Very good, Zainab. What else? Yes, because the sun is hot, it will melt the ice. What happens when ice melts? If you put it in your hand, the palm is warm. So what happens to the cube of ice? It melts into pure water. So exactly the same way, if there's snow on top of the mountains and the warm sunlight falls on it, the water will trickle down into the streams and will make pure, fresh water. Very good. Yes, you've seen that in Murray. Very good. Sidra's been to Murray. Yes, you told me your dad takes you everywhere. Very good. That's very nice. So you've seen mountains with snow, and the sun has melted the ice to give water into the streams. Very good. Well done. Now that we've done our brainstorming, because you've given me very good words, we're going to try and draft them. Now, remember, when you're drafting, you're going to try and use the words and extend the words. Make the words in a sentence longer, like sunlight. You can say sunlight helps plants grow. You can also say sunlight is good for us because it gives us, yes, very good. Oh, okay. Vitamin D, good. So, yes, I know, you seem to know about it. You seem to know quite a lot, mashallah, about the sun. It's given you very good brainstorming. And you've told me sunlight gives us calcium? Vitamin D. Yes, it's called the sunshine vitamin. Good. And calcium, it helps with it. If you use calcium with vitamin D, it's stronger, makes you stronger. Yes, of course, the sunflower, which grows direction of the sunlight. So can you see how sunlight, one word, gave you 3 sentences? So I'd like you, put your thinking cap on, look at the video again and again, think of good words, the same words or your own brainstorming, lengthen your sentences and go and draft. After that, we'll come back and see what we can do. Okay, Allah Hafiz.